Hello everyone! Do you like arranging or assembling things properly? Do you love to be organized? Then try arranging these words that are totally puzzled up or jumbled. Let's play a quiz where you have to guess the correct words by using the given hints. Are you ready? Let's go! Guess which word is this? RRWPSOA. Hint: it's the name of a bird. Sparrow. Great. IUJPRA. Hint: it's the name of a city. Jaipur. That's right. EBNOOKTO. Hint: it's the name of a stationery. Notebook. Indeed. OURSETRS. Hint: it's the name of an outfit. Trousers. Well done. DAINI. Hint: it's the name of a country. India. True that. EWLEVT. Hint: it's the name of a number. $12. Great job! IVRESL. Hint: it's the name of a metal. Silver. Awesome! ECAFOOKB. Hint: it's the name of a social media. Facebook. That's correct. INDEREALLC. Hint: it's the name of a Disney princess. Cinderella. Amazing. RICKETC. Hint: it's the name of a sport. Cricket! You guessed it right again. I hope you enjoyed playing this super interesting quiz. Share this video with your friends and check how many of them you guessed right.